one more. I can't take it. It's...
Hello? Am I rescued?
Not yet, but you will be soon. That's a two-shoes promise.
I told you to stay on your side!
Can I have my can back?
No, you can't. This can is on my side, so it's mine.
Anything on your side, you can keep.
Like this treasure? And this rock with a string coming out of it?
Gimme!
You said what's on my side was mine.
I did not! Anything on your side, you can keep.
Island buddy.
I want it! I need it! Gimme! I order you to give it to me now!
This treasure taught me how to love.
Fine!
Give it to me, and I'll be your island buddy.
Status update. Lucy and me, buddies.